Hey everyone, Dustin Steiner with Tilmor here, and I'm excited to introduce to you our new electric cultivating tractor, the Super E. It was designed for growers that are really looking to scale their operations, maybe even replace some of their older equipment, looking for a little more of an economical or quiet cultivation solution. This is an awesome option for planting, cultivation, fertilizer application, things like that, where you're needing a lot of space, whether you're using a raised bed system or a flat ground system. And so we do have a call-out video we just released that gives some more of the additional specifications, like ground clearance and things like that, but I'm just gonna walk around it so you can kind of see scale. I'm about 6 feet tall. You can see the space in under here, so a lot of room, whether you have a raised bed that you're gonna need to pull tooling up a little bit for, or a wizard planter where you're gonna have the seed hoppers kind of up here. And then it's going around here to the operator platform. Stay tuned, we're gonna have an operational kind of controls and video as well, but wanted to just point out a couple things. Getting on and off, it's not too difficult because you got a couple good spots you can hold and pull yourself up on. It's a little bit more of a unique system, but it does give you the ability to kind of really actively look at what you're doing, have really good view. If you want to look here, this is one thing we didn't show great in another video, but you have really good view from the operator's platform. Good access to all the hand controls here. And again, it's an electric unit. You can use up to 4 batteries. On this side, we've got 1 battery showing right now. It's a 50 amp, 48 volt system. Each battery is gonna run 1 to 2 hours depending on what tooling you're running. And in this situation, this tool will probably run 1 to 1.5 hours depending on your conditions. Something like a basket weeder, you're gonna probably get even over 2 hours with it. Do stay tuned because we do have more videos that are going to be, specifically for our operational controls, how you turn around at the end of the rows, just so you get a good idea of how it operates and how simple it is. We are going to have pre-orders coming soon as well, so stay tuned for that. It is going to start shipping in October, but if there's any questions in the meantime that you want, just give us a call, send us an email, whatever it is, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.